Hello everyone, welcome to KhanPedia. Today video I'll try to explain how we can file a sales tax for Texas online. So let's start. Simply open your browser, just write here controller.texas.government. Open this official website for Texas to file a sales tax or franchise tax. As you can see, simply click on eSystem login. After click on eSystem login, you need to provide your username and password. Simply provide your username and password and click on login. After login, you will have this interface. We need to pay two types of tax. First is franchise tax and another one is sale tax, right? Franchise tax we pay once a year and sale tax we pay every year, 4 times in a year. After 3 months, every 3 months we need to pay sale tax. So right now we need to pay sale tax for our last quarter, quarter 4. Simply click on file and pay. Click on file and pay. After click on file and play, as you can see, this is my interface. There are several options, but to pay the sale tax, we simply click on file original return and click on continue. After click on continue, as you can see there are this I have to pay for December 31, like of quarter 4. So this period is not end yet, so I will pay maybe after 31st March, but this one I have to pay after 31st December and before 21 January. So now, as you can see, I will simply click on this and I will click on continue, and then I will click on continue. And then, are you taking credit for Texas due to this return? Are you taking any credits from someone? No, I'm not taking any credit. No. Did you refund sales tax for the filing period of item exported? Did you export something from the outside the US? No. Now, as you can see, click on this and write 0000 and click on continue. As you can see, everything is done. Now simply click on continue. Okay, and as you can see, confirmation you have filled successfully. Simply, it's quite simple to pay your Texas sales tax, right? And for example, if you want to print the receipt, click on print and click on save. As you can see, my sales tax is done. So it's quite simple. You can also pay your sales tax online using simple step. So this is quite simple video for you. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my content, give a thumbs up. Thank you.